If you've forgotten your password for Formget or simply want to reset it, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Formget login page. Go to the official Formget website and navigate to the login page where you typically enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Formget account in a provided field. Ensure that the email is correct to receive the reset link. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Formget. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link in the email, which will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and save the changes. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Formget account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Formget support for further assistance.